Man, apparently I just love wearing colors. That blends me into this wall. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I have a quick little Saint Laurent unboxing to share with you guys. If this is the first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. Today we have a little unboxing, but if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the unboxing. So this unboxing I was actually not planning to do because I've had this piece for like a week-ish. Not yet a week, I don't think, but I have already unboxed it for TikTok. So if you don't follow me over on TikTok, you should totally follow me over there because I've been posting every single day, twice a day, and I did already unbox it on TikTok. So it's not going to be a blind unboxing, and also I bought it directly from the Saint Laurent store that's closest to me. So I kind of already knew what it was going to look like when I purchased it. But yeah, I do have it right here, and I'll give you like a little story time of just the whole day leading up to that. So it was mine and my husband's first wedding anniversary on February 12th, which was over a week. Yeah, so that was last Sunday. So I got this little Saint Laurent piece last Sunday. Me and my husband went to the Cheesecake Factory to eat lunch because I really wanted their fish tacos. They were so good. But then I was like, well, maybe I could waltz into the Saint Laurent store and see what they have because I have been wanting this particular item for a little while now. I've been wanting to add something like this into my collection. I walked in and they had a couple of colors and I ended up picking this one out. So I will go ahead and start the unboxing. I know that's mostly what you guys are here for, but I will just continue to do the little story time and just tell you more about it as I unbox it. So this is the cool bag. I've never actually gone to the Saint Laurent store and purchased something. The only other time that I have got something from Saint Laurent was on their website. And this bag is really, really cool. And then here is the item, and go ahead and try to like, I guess, comment down below what you think that I have here, and then comment if you were right or not. I have no idea, but yeah, it's the cute little Saint Laurent box, and I just love how clean and minimal Saint Laurent is. This is a smaller item, as you can see here, and then I will just take this little ribbon off, and then we'll open it up like that. I've got a cute little dust bag. As you can probably see, it is a small leather good, so it's not a handbag, unfortunately. I do love Saint Laurent bags, but there's not any in particular except for the hobo bag that was in my wish list a while ago, and I didn't want to buy that right now. But I did just pick up this little SLG. And here it is. She's so beautiful. So this is the Saint Laurent Cassandra, oh, I'm gonna say this wrong, Cassandra Matulassé card holder. And Matulassé, I believe, is the type of stitching that this particular one has, and it makes it look kind of like puffy and quilted. And as you can see, it is the chevron pattern. I usually don't love chevron patterned things. Like, I know you can get the Chanel boy bag in chevron, you can get a couple of Chanel pieces in chevron, you can even get some of the Chanel card holders in chevron, and I have never really been interested in chevron except for this. I really quite like the chevron look on the Saint Laurent card holder, but as you can see, it's got the beautiful gold YSL logo on the front, and then it does have 2 slots on the front, and then it has 2 card slots on the back, and then it does open, and oh, I forgot to take my card out of the front, and it does open in the center as well, so you can put like cash or other types of cards as well. This does retail for $325. With taxes at the store, it ended up being $355, so under 400 bucks. I definitely don't think that's too bad of a price for a small leather good like this. And yeah, she is beautiful. I have heard from a lot of different people that the chevron quilted pattern, like this particular like grained leather is like super hard wearing and resilient. I know that Makes For All on YouTube, Minnie, she has a couple of these and she said that she's had them for like 5 years and they're still like perfect condition. So I'm gonna actually pull up some more information about these as well. It's in grain de Poudre, gosh, I'm not French, y'all. Embossed leather. It is 95% calfskin leather and 5% brass. The dimensions are 4.1 inches in length and 2.9 inches in height. And it doesn't say depth because, like, hello? It's so, like, the depth is nothing. But yeah, it is a very small card holder. Let me actually grab my Chanel one to see if we can compare the sizes. Okay, I've got my Chanel one here, and as you can see, definitely a different color scheme. This one is the one that I got last year at the very beginning of 2022. And if we put them side by side, I can already tell the Chanel one is the tiniest bit longer than the YSL. It's the exact same height, it looks like. So probably 2.9 inches in height. So exactly the same height, but the Chanel card holder probably has like a couple centimeters, like maybe a centimeter difference in length with the YSL one. So yeah, they're relatively the exact same size, so it won't make any difference with putting it in your bag. Now, one thing that I will say with this card holder already is that probably because it's new, I think it's just because it's new and I haven't really like worn it in yet, it is really, really stiff. Like, I have gotten to the point to where I can only put one in each thing, and that works totally fine. And I don't carry that many cards anyways, so I've got my credit card in this slot, my driver's license in this slot, I've got my debit card in this slot, and my Sephora card in this one. And this right here is fine. I can, well, it's actually kind of hard to get it out. So you have to like yank it and like pull it out. But like if I wanted to double up the cards on this, it's really hard. I mean, you can, and I did do it in the beginning, but it is so hard to get anything out. So I just doubled it up, and I'm afraid I'm not gonna be able to get this out of here now. Well, that was pretty easy, but it takes a long time, and they will stretch out over time, of course. And I do think that once I use this more often, I'll be able to double stack the cards if I need to. Again, I don't have any other cards. Like, I have my Ulta card and my insurance card, but that's about it. Like, I just kind of I don't keep the Ulta card on me at all. And the insurance card just goes in here. So it's totally fine. I don't have any other cards that I need to carry with me. So it still fits literally everything that I need. But when I was looking at this wallet in the store, I could not for the life of me decide if I wanted this color, the black, or if I wanted the beige, because they had a bunch of colors actually in stock. I was actually kind of scared that I was gonna go in there, and with it being like 2 days away from Valentine's Day, I was gonna go in there and they were gonna be like, we don't have any more in stock. But they did. They had the black one, of course, and this is a brand new one as well. This is not the one that they had for show on the floor. This is a brand new one that the sales associate got from the back of the store for me, which was very nice of her, because I did ask as I was choosing the one that I wanted. I picked this one out, and then I said, by any chance, do you have any like newer ones in the back? And she said, oh yes, don't worry, I'm gonna get you a new one. It was between this one and they had a beige, which I'm probably sure you've seen the beige. It's beautiful. I'll have it right here for you to see. And then they also had one that was called Vintage Peach, which I had not heard of before. She said it's a new color, and she said it's kind of hard to keep in stock because it's so new. But for some reason, I just knew that I wanted black. Like, I have just grown to be obsessed with black. I just don't know why. It's so classy, and I don't have a black card holder, and I just love it. It really makes the gold pop on here, and I'm just obsessed. Would I get another one of these in the future? Sure, I think they're beautiful. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That has been my little unboxing of my YSL card holder. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think of this card holder. Let me know if you have one like this, or just let me know in the comments if you have a card holder, if you're using a wallet, or just in general. Leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!